A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about the BHU 2019 question series. Okay. Now question number 1. Maximum production of food grain in a year in India had been to the tune of. The right answer is 26.3 crore tons. Question number 2. At present, which of the following oilseed is number 1 in production in India? The right answer is soybean. Question number 3. At present, which of the following crops has highest production in India? The right answer is rice. Question number 4. Rigor mortis is. The right answer is biochemical changes. Question number 5. Which of the following is absent in milk? The right answer is iron. Question number 6. Conversion factor used to convert milk into to protein is. The right answer is 6.38. Question number 7. Conditioning of wheat prior to milling. The right answer is facilitates separation of bran and endosperm. Question number 8. Which of the following is least sensitive to air and heat? The right answer is niacin. It is vitamin B3. Now question number 9. Germination of legumes. The right answer is increase the availability of nutrients. Question number 10. The ability of protein to act as acid or bases is known as. The right answer is amphoterism. Amphoteric oxide बनाता है. Question number 11. Heat treatment to oil seed prior to oil extraction. The right answer is increase oil fluidity. Question number 12. Most of the vegetables are processed at 250 degree Fahrenheit because they are. The right answer is non-acid food. Question number 13. A sample of wheat flour contains 10% protein on 14% moisture basis. On 10% moisture basis, its protein content will be. The right answer is 10.46%. Question number 14. Bread, bread, wheat are classified as. The right answer is Triticum aestivum. The option C is correct. Question number 15. The amount of KMS to be added to 100 kg potato chips at the rate of 20 part per million would be. The right answer is 2000 mg. It means 200 grams. The option D is correct. Question number 16. Blanching may be an optional step in. The right answer is canning. Question number 17. Durum wheat are most suitable for. The right answer is pasta product. Question number 18. Which of the following is least sweet? The right answer is lactose. Question number 19. Which indicator is used in back titration method of protein estimation? The right answer is methyl orange. Question number 20. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Question number 21. Wheat flour obtained by 80% extraction is known as. The right answer is national flour. Question number 22. The standard amount of acetic acid in vinegar is. The right answer is 4%. Question number 23. Washing of fruit vegetables reduces microbial load to the extent of. The right answer is 90%. Question number 24. Leafy vegetable preferably require. The right answer is steam blanching. Question number 25. The optimum temperature for yeast fermentation is 85 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 26. F value in TDT curve is referred to time in minute required to kill all microorganism at 250 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 27. Which of the following contain more water? The right answer is option D, radishes. Question number 28. 2 kg apple was prepared for dehydration. During preparation, peeling losses were 10% and curing losses were 10% of peeled apple. The weight of prepared apple would be. The right answer is 1.62 kg. Question number 29. What would be the volume of 400 gram brine containing 200 gram salt and having a specific gravity of 1.034? The right answer is 386.5 ml. Question number 30. The amount of alcohol produced from one molecule of glucose is. The right answer is 92 gram. Question number 31. What would be volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid 35% pure required to prepare 50 ml of 0.1 normality solution? The specific gravity of concentrated hydrochloric acid is 1.18. The right answer is option D, 4.47 ml. Question number 32. The specific volume of bread having loaf volume of 520 cc and loaf weight of 130 gram would be. The right answer is 4.0. Question number 33. What would be the weight of sugar to be added to 1 lb of apple pulp for making jam if the gel meter test reading is 1? The right answer is option C, 1 lb4oz. Question number 34. Which of the following is responsible for bright green color of vegetable leaves? The right answer is oil soluble chlorophyll. Question number 35. Carotenoids pigment are of which color? The right answer is option D, yellow, orange and red. Question number 36. Household refrigerators are usually operated at. The right answer is 4.5 to 7.0. Question number 37. Good frozen storage requires temperature of. The right answer is minus 18 degrees centigrade or below. Question number 38. Now question number 38. Which of the following is an example of air conventional dryer? The right answer is tray dryer. Question number 39. Intermediate moisture food contain moisture content of. The right answer is 20 to 50%. Question number 40. The penetrating power of gamma rays as compared to beta particles is. The right answer is greater. Question number 41. Niftam is located in the state of. The right answer is Haryana and the city name is Sonipat. Question number 42. Journal of Food Science is published in. The right answer is USA. Question number 43. For food application, the most commonly used microwave frequency are. It is 2450 MHz and 915 MHz. Question number 44. Which of the following are most resistant to ionizing radiation? The right answer is enzyme. Question number 45. CFTRI is located in. The right answer is Mysore. Question number 46. The book entitled Technology of Food Preservation has been written by. The right answer is N.W. Desroiser. The question number 47 is flavor is a combination of. The right answer is taste, smell and feel. Question number 48. How many are there the type of primary taste? The right answer is 3. Question number 49. Which of the following is used to measure flavor? The right answer is all of the above. Question number 50. HTST pasteurization of milk means continuous heating at. The right answer is 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Question number 51. Optimum extraction rate of wheat flour for bread making is. The right answer is 72%. Question number 52. Which of the following is used to indicate the extent of wheat milling? The right answer is ash content. Question number 53. Macrocytic anemia is caused by the deficiency of. The right answer is vitamin B9. It is folic acid. Question number 54. Gluten is. The right answer is developed when wheat flour and water are mixed together in a mixture. Question number 55. 5.95 is used as conversion factor to convert N2 to protein in. The right answer is rice. Question number 56. Which of the following is used as preservative in breads? The right answer is potassium sorbate. Question number 57. The disease beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B6. It is pyridoxine. Question number 58. Maximum post-harvest losses occurs in. The right answer is tomato. Question number 59. Crude fiber in food help to overcome. The right answer is constipation. The question number 60. FPO stands for fruit products order. The question number 61. Cereals are deficient in. The right answer is lysine. Question number 62. The maximum post harvest losses occurs in. The right answer is grapes. The question number 63. Which of the following is non-climatic fruit? The right answer is papaya. Question number 64. Legumes are deficient in. The right answer is methionine. Question number 65. Good quality cream yields ghee to the extent of. The right answer is 50%. Question number 66. Digestion mixture used in protein estimation of milk protein is comprised of. The right answer is potassium sulfate, copper sulfate and selenium oxide. The question number 67. Chivon is used for the meat of. The right answer is sheep. Question number 68. Canning of meat is generally done in. The right answer is lacquered cans. The question number 69. Which of the following oil is rich source of omega-3 fatty acid? The right answer is soybean oil. Question number 70. Calcium is maximum in. The right answer is groundnut cake. Question number 71. The pigment responsible for bright red color of meat is. The right answer is myoglobin. Question number 72. Which of the following is used to estimate the efficiency of pasteurization? The right answer is phosphate test. Question number 73. Meat is classified as? The right answer is non-acid food. Question number 74. Dark brown color of processed meat is due to? The right answer is myoglobin. The question number 75 is water activity may be defined as? The right answer is ERH divided by 100. Question number 76. NC type plates are used for? The right answer is non-corrosive food. Question number 77. Which of the following is most sweet? The right answer is sodium cyclamate. Question number 78. Annual losses of fruit vegetable in India are approximately? The right answer is 10 to 15%. Question number 79. India is the largest producer of? The right answer is milk. Question number 80. Milk production in India during 2014 and 2015 was approximately? The right answer is 115 million tons. Question number 81. Which of the following container can be reused? The correct answer is glass container. Question number 82. Thermal death point may be defined as? The right answer is temperature required to kill all the microorganisms within 10 minutes. Question number 83. Which of the following requires a higher water activity? The right answer is molds. Question number 84. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of? Vitamin D, calcium. Question number 85. The dye 2,6 dichlorophenol in acidic condition gives? The right answer is pink to reddish color. Question number 86. Which of the following contain highest protein? The right answer is soya bean. Now the question number 87. Blood clotting is the formation of? The right answer is calcium. Question number 88. The intake of sodium is restricted in the patient of? The right answer is heart. Question number 89. Which of the following contain maximum goitrogenic substances? The right answer is cabbage. Question number 90. Asepsis is defined as? The right answer is keeping away of microorganism. Question number 91. Which of the following organism initiates the sauerkraut fermentation? The right answer is Lactobacillus mesenteroid. The question number 92. Baking temperature of bread is? The right answer is 425 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The question number 93. 1 degree centigrade is equal to? The right answer is 33.8 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 94. Peas are blanched at? The right answer is slightly lower temperature than to 12 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 95. Marmalade is generally prepared from? The right answer is citrus fruit. Question number 96. Which of the following anti-nutritional factor is present in maximum in soybean? The right answer is trypsin inhibitor. Question number 97. Which of the following relates to cotton? The right answer is gossypol. Question number 98. Z value in TDT curve is expressed in term of? The right answer is degree Fahrenheit. Question number 99. Soft wheat are best suited to manufacture? The right answer is biscuit. Question number 100. The germ content in wheat grain is about? The right answer is 2 to 3%. Question number 101. Question number 101. Sauerkraut is prepared from? The right answer is cabbage. Which of the following contain more oil percent? The right answer is wheat germ. The question number 103. GRAS stand for? The right answer is generally recognized as safe. Question number 104. The book entitled Fundamental of Food Process Engineering has been written by? The right answer is R.T. Toledo. Question number 105. The Newtonian fluid are defined by an equation. The option A is correct. Now question number 106. Rheology is defined as the science of? The correct answer is fluent formation. Now question number 107. Moist food must be packaged in package that? The right answer is does not allow loss of moisture. Now question number 108. Packaging must protect against? The right answer is all of the above. Now question number 109. Food scientists need not to be expert in packaging but has to assist packaging decision and problems by? The right answer is defining the kind of protection requires to food. Now question number 110. Triangle test used in sensory evaluation is? The right answer is difference test. Now question number 111. CIP stands for? cleaned in place system. Question number 112. Quality means, the right answer is fitness for use. Question number 113. Which of the following senses is not used to intake sensory evaluation? The right answer is flavor. Question number 114. Which of the following is not a water related factor for determining location of plant? The right answer is depth of water. Question number 115. FSSAI replaced PFA Act 1954 in the year 2006. Question number 116. What would be the amount of salt to be added to 850 kg fat in a standard butter churner if butter to contain 2% salt? The right answer is option D, 21.25 kg. Question number 117. The acetic acid fermentation of vinegar is brought out by? The right answer is Acetobacter. Question number 118. The TDT for an organism at 232 degree Fahrenheit is 100 minutes. What would be its lethal rate? The right answer is option A, 0.010. Question number 119. Diacetyl is used as flavoring compound in? The right answer is butter.